Hello from Torpesand Strand in Värmdö. Now, this is actually marked on the Scandinavian Naturist Badkartan as a nudist beach, but it isn't actually. It's optional for boating, but it is not so many. There are not so many people on the beach today on this 7th of July, and beach day number 86 on my Sweden beach adventures. And quite a windy day it is this Sunday, despite being super sunny. It's a bit chilly, and that's why the beach is almost completely empty today. So this beach is located 40 kilometers away from my home, and I have arrived here by public transport, by a combination of metro, which is the subway, and bus. So the bus ride from Torpesand, which is the main destination, is 40 minutes. Quite a pleasant ride. Yeah, I would appreciate it if there wasn't too much wind, but yeah, it is what it is. And this area over here, this is in the Björnö Nature Reserve, Björnö Nature Reserve. There are many beautiful rocky beaches around that are also nudist beaches that I'm going to visit later. Well, this one is also stated as nudist beach, but it isn't actually. But I was here last year on the same beach, and it was amazing weather. Quite more crowded than it is today. So, out in the beautiful nature, you can find this beautiful beach. You can see also the nature all around that this beach is surrounded by. And you can see the waves from the sea, which means that it's super windy today here at Torpesand Strand. Now let's go in for a swim here and enjoy this beautiful day, because that's what we do on Beach Adventure with Chris on my YouTube channel. Look at the sea. Wow, wow, wow. The Baltic Sea is the best, for sure. So let's see, here we have some rocks in the entrance. After that it's quite beautiful. Let me show you the rest of the beach as well. Looks spectacular, doesn't it? Alright, let's now get into the sea. There is some seaweed at the entrance, but after that it's quite okay. And super sandy as well. It looks really amazing. Beautiful. Oh my god, if it wasn't too windy, it would have been a perfect beach day. But anyway, here it is so super nice. And so this is Torpesand Strand, but there are also two other beautiful beaches close by here that you can visit with the same bus that goes here. It's Torpesand and Sand that are located around 2 to 3 kilometers in that direction. And yeah, Värmdö has so many beautiful beaches out on the Baltic Sea. So Torpesand Strand, let's then take a swim here in this beautiful sandy beach. Let's go! It's so amazing, it's so beautiful. Oh, I feel so blessed. And yes, it is 17 degrees Celsius in the air and only 15 degrees Celsius in the sea. I have measured earlier before I went for a swim. So not the best weather for a swim, but it's still amazing. And I'm so blessed that I get to this beautiful Baltic Sea. Let's dive in once again. Woohoo! So beautiful. Indeed. Look at that. Look at the beautiful nature and the beautiful Torpesand Beach. Indeed. Alright then, that's a wrap from Torpesand Strand. I'm gonna be checking out at least one more beach here in this area today on this 7th of July, beach day number 86. So thank you so much for watching and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel. Cheers.